how to change YouTube banner in 2022 on your mobile phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply change your YouTube banner using your phone. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up the YouTube application on your mobile phone device. After, when you have done with opening the YouTube application on your mobile phone, you're going to go and tap on the profile icon that is at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, a new page would appear up in which there are numerous options, out of which you're going to go and tap on the your channel. That is the number one option. Once you do that, so here it is. So you're going to get a new page in which you're going to go and tap on the edit icon that is at the right side of the screen, just beside the manage videos. So once you tap on it, so here it is, a new page has opened up. So in this page, you're going to go and tap on the camera icon to change the background of that YouTube banner. So this is how we change YouTube banner. So once you tap on the camera option, I'll have two options to take a fresh photo or choose some from my photos. So this is how I set up a YouTube banner on your YouTube or on my YouTube using my phone. And if I tap on my profile icon, I can change my profile picture as well for the YouTube profile. So this is how I do it. This is how I can change my YouTube banner using my mobile phone in 2022. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.